How to find nearby friends in Skout. First, launch the Skout app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. And enable location service to access your location. Skout user location to show nearby user. And make sure location is set to high accuracy for better results. Tap the near you tab, usually a compass or map symbol. You will see a list of map of user close to your location. Tap through profile, look at their bios, interests, and photos to see who you like to connect with. Tap message to start a conversation or wait to show interest. Wait for a response and start chatting safely. Also, Skout let you filter user by age, gender, or distance. Tap the filter icon and adjust setting to find the best matches nearby. And here's the safety tip. Always be aware when interacting with strangers. Never share sensitive personal information like your address or phone number. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.